Everyone says, put God first. But here's the truth. Most believers don't know how to do it when life is messy, stressful, or full of distractions. Today, I'm going to show you how to put God first in real life, even when it's hard, inconvenient, or uncomfortable. This is not just theory, these are steps that change lives. Most people treat God like a backup plan. If everything is first, I will pray. Put God first means making Him the starting point in every decision. Before making plans, before major purchases, before responding in anger or fear. Even small decisions matter. When God is first in small choices, He becomes first in big outcomes. In Matthew 6:33 says, "Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well." Putting God first isn't always convenient. Sometimes it means saying no to what everyone else is doing, choosing prayer instead of distraction, waiting on God's timing instead of rushing. Faith is proven in obedience when it's hard. Luke 9:23 says, "Take up your cross daily and follow me." Real spiritual growth happens when comfort is sacrifices for God's will. Life competes for your attentions, work, relationships, money, approval. These are not evil, but if they dominate your heart, God loses first place. Action step. Write down what consumes your mind most and ask, am I putting God first here? Colossians 3 verse 2 says, "Set your minds on things above, not on earthly things." Habits are powerful. They shape priorities. Daily prayer, scripture reflection, worship and thanksgiving, journaling your faith. Consistency matters more than perfection. A small daily commitment to God beats sporadic big efforts. Luke 16 verse 10 says, "Whoever is faithful with little will also be faithful with much." Putting God first is hard, but the question is, who or what is shaping your life? If today you are choosing put God first in your life, type God first in the comment. Subscribe if you want to grow in faith and learn how to live God first every day. Because when God truly comes first, everything else falls into place.